Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today I wanted to talk about how I ended up getting a free iPhone XR from AT&T. Now that being said, just in the interest of full disclosure, I've never really been an iPhone guy. I'm more of like actually anything but iOS products. In the past I've had, the original Samsung Galaxy S, then I went up to like the S7. I think I even had a Windows phone somewhere in between there, and now I'm on a Galaxy S9. So like I said, I pretty much use Windows Phone, Android, heck, even the old Nokia Symbian phones. But that being said, my mother-in-law has been using a iPhone 4S for a while. Now, this, as you probably know, I'm making this video here in November of 2021. This is about a decade old. This thing came out, I think, when Steve Jobs was still alive, or at least they announced it when he was still alive. This was back in, I think, October of 2011. So this is a pretty darn old phone, but it still works, and my mother-in-law, she likes to use it and doesn't really want to upgrade. Well, it turns out that I think we're going to have to upgrade because AT&T has gone ahead and sent us a little bit of some information, and they emailed us a couple of weeks ago and said that, you know what, this old phone that's running on a 3G network is actually not going to work pretty soon because, I don't know if you can read this, but they're shutting down the 3G network, right? In February 2022, just in a couple of months, this phone is no longer going to work. So this is actually pretty cool that what AT&T did is, since they were shutting this down, they actually sent us, because she's on our family plan, a brand new iPhone XR for free. So look at this. This thing is perfect. It's in the box. I don't know if you can see that in the back, but yeah, it is a 64 gigabyte iPhone XR, and again, they sent it to us for free. So I guess this is one way you can get yourself a free phone. You don't have to sign any contracts. You don't actually have to pay, and I was actually quite shocked that they proactively sent us this. We didn't have to ask for it at all. So I guess the trick is just hang on to your old phone long enough that it becomes obsolete, and if you're still using it, AT&T was nice and they sent us a brand new phone. So tell you what, why don't we go ahead and open this up. This still is a little bit of an older phone. I mean, not that much. I think this is only 3 years old as opposed to 10 years old, but let's get this guy out of the box just to see what it looks like. All right, so I'm sure there's a million of these unboxing videos, again, that are probably about 3 years old, so we don't need to go into this into super detail, but let's just get this out. And again, I wanted to just show that, yeah, they sent us a brand new, it doesn't even appear to be refurbished or anything like that. I think this is a brand new phone. Wow, yeah, whoops, okay, there we go. So here's the iPhone XR, looking very nice. It's got the plastic covers on. This is always fun taking these off. The front, is there one on the back? No, I guess not. Okay, so the phone comes with it, and then I guess this is probably our Lightning or USB-C. Nope, it's Lightning. Yeah, well, let me see here. Well, it's USB-C to Lightning. So you get a USB-C to Lightning cable. Okay, that's great. What's this? Oh, just some, okay, you get yourself a sticker, an Apple sticker. Oh, okay, I guess you get the little key to insert the SIM card. And then you get some information with it. Oh, just quick start, how to turn it on and all that kind of stuff. I think that's about it, probably. I don't think there's anything else in this box. So there you go. So that is everything that came in the box. And now I guess we are going to go ahead and I'll compare it. Here's it's a lot bigger. So here's the iPhone 4S, and that's the iPhone XR. So now it's going to be an adventure in upgrading. And again, I think luckily, hopefully AT&T, they did a good job, and they've got some instructions for us. So I need to go and activate the new phone, and then I'm going to go ahead and start moving moving over and trying to transfer everything over from the old phone to the new phone. So, so there you have it. Not too shabby. Again, I'm pretty impressed with how AT&T was actually pretty darn proactive and sent us a brand new phone to replace the old one since they're shutting down the network. So again, that's nice in this day and age that I think you get a large company that seems to have done the right thing. So I'm very happy with them. So there you have it. I guess it's a cheap way, but maybe it's not so easy way to get a free brand new iPhone XR from AT&T. So with that being said, I think this is probably a great spot to leave it. I think I'm going to sign off. I just wanted to make this a quick video, so I will catch you next time. Talk to you later. Bye.